Financial goals are essential for building a secure future. Whether you want to buy a house, retire comfortably, or travel the world, saving money is the key to achieving these objectives. In this video, we will explore 10 effective ways to save money and make significant strides towards your financial goals. Let's get started the video. 10 ways to save money and reach your financial goals. Create a budget. One of the fundamental steps towards saving money is creating a budget. This involves tracking your income, expenses, and setting limits on your spending. Here's how to get started. Income assessment. Calculate your monthly income from all sources, including salary, side gigs, and investments. Expense analysis. List your monthly expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Don't forget occasional expenses like insurance premiums or quarterly taxes. Set saving goals. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Stick to the budget. Monitor your spending regularly to ensure you stay within your budget. There are various apps and tools available to help you track your finances. Prioritize debt reduction. High-interest debt can eat into your savings, so prioritize paying it off. Follow these steps. List your debts. Make a list of all your outstanding debts, including credit card balances, loans, and any other obligations. Pay off high-interest debt first. Start with the debt that has the highest interest rate to minimize the interest you'll pay over time. Create a debt repayment plan. Allocate a portion of your budget towards debt repayment. Consistently pay more than the minimum required on high-interest debts. Consider consolidation. Explore options like consolidating your debt with a lower interest loan to make repayment more manageable. Build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is crucial for financial security. It provides a safety net in case unexpected expenses arise. Follow these steps to build an emergency fund. Set a goal. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Automate savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund each month. Use windfalls. Use any unexpected windfalls, such as tax refunds or bonuses, to boost your emergency fund. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify and eliminate unnecessary expenses to free up more money for savings. Review monthly subscriptions. Cancel or downgrade subscriptions you no longer use or need, such as streaming services or gym memberships. Shop smart. Look for discounts, use coupons, and compare prices before making purchases. Limit dining out. Cooking at home is usually more cost-effective than dining out. Reduce restaurant visits and prepare meals yourself. Use public transportation. Consider using public transportation or carpooling to save on gas and maintenance costs. Increase your income. Finding ways to increase your income can significantly accelerate your savings. Negotiate a raise. If you're employed, research industry salary standards and approach your employer for a raise. Freelance or side hustles. Explore freelance work or side gigs to supplement your income. Invest in skills. Consider investing in education or training that can lead to a higher-paying job. Save automatically. Automating your savings is an effective way to ensure you consistently set money aside. Direct deposit. Arrange for a portion of your paycheck to be directly deposited into your savings account. Automatic transfers. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account on payday. Employer retirement plans. If available, contribute to employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401(k)s, especially if they offer matching contributions. Invest wisely. Investing can help your money grow over time. Here are some investment strategies. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to reduce risk. Consider retirement accounts. Contribute to retirement accounts such as IRAs or 401(k)s, which offer tax advantages. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about investing, consult a financial advisor for guidance. Reduce housing costs. Housing is one of the most significant expenses for many people. Consider the following to save on housing costs. Refinance your mortgage. If interest rates have dropped since you took out your mortgage, consider refinancing to lower your monthly payments. Downsize. If possible, consider downsizing to a smaller, more affordable home. Rent out a room. If you have extra space, consider renting out a room to generate additional income. Save windfalls and bonuses. When you receive unexpected windfalls or bonuses, avoid the temptation to splurge. Instead, use them to boost your savings. Tax refunds. Use your tax refund to make extra debt payments, contribute to your emergency fund, or invest. Work bonuses. Allocate a portion of work bonuses towards your savings or retirement accounts. Monitor and adjust. Finally, regularly review your financial progress and make adjustments as needed. Annual financial checkup. Review your budget, savings, and investments annually to ensure you're on track to meet your goals. Adjust as necessary. Life circumstances change, so be flexible and adjust your financial plan as needed. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, whether it's paying off a debt or reaching a savings milestone. Saving money and reaching your financial goals require discipline and commitment, but the rewards are worth it. By creating a budget, reducing debt, building an emergency fund, and making smart financial decisions, you can achieve your dreams and build a secure financial future. Start implementing these 10 strategies today, and watch your savings grow as you move closer to your financial goals. For more videos, like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video.